Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We have here 3 pieces of coins of UAE, United Arab Emirates, and we have here 2 pieces year 1995, 207. So the expensive coins of 1 dirham, guys. And also we have here a 1 piece of year 1435, 2014. So we have here 3 pieces of 1 dirham coins, guys. So I think this is the reverse or the back, or I don't know, this is the back or the reverse, guys. So we can see at the back here. Yeah. So very beautiful coins, guys. Okay, very beautiful 1 dirham coins. Okay, yeah. So some of the our international bloggers, guys, are these coins are very expensive now, guys. So we have 2 pieces of year 1995, 2007. Expensive coins in 1 piece of 1435, 2014. Our 3 pieces 1 dirham coins. Okay guys, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for updated all my upcoming videos. Okay guys, thank you so much and God bless. Thank you. Bye bye.